G'day guys, so we're back over at Corinda just to give you a bit of a site update. So the concrete slab got poured here last week, which is fantastic. New concreter did a really good job, so really grateful for that. We called him in at the last minute, but the guys are now moving on to the framing. So we've had the termite guy come in here on Saturday, got all the cordon around the perimeter of the job, and the boys have marked all the frame out, so they're now going to get stuck into all the walls on this project. We've got a little slab, we're getting prepped out the back to get the slab poured around the pool area. But you can probably hear, we got the bloody generator going on this job, so it's seriously, I know I keep repeating myself, but this year, like, nothing goes to plan. Every single day is a juggling act, chasing people up, checking on things. It's just crazy. I feel like the whole industry just needs a massive break. But our power, our mains power, so when we lift and raise under a house, we've got to completely disconnect the power from the property to make it safe for everybody to do their works. So as soon as the house is raised and lifted and back on its post, and it's all braced up and it's safe, we then get the electricians to upgrade the meter board, get all their cabling in, get a new connection point. And depending on the job, it's different on every job, but we get it all set up so that we can get Energex back and put the power on. We were notified over a month ago on this project that the power was going on this property yesterday. Then we get told it's now another 2 weeks away. So we've got a few issues with a couple of power connections on 3 of our jobs at the moment. It's just, everyone is so busy that they're just, like, nothing's a priority. We keep getting given excuses all the time, and it's quite frustrating. But at the end of the day, we've just got to keep rolling forward and coming up with solutions and dealing with it. So we've got a couple of our own generators. It is noisy, it is a pain in the ass, but it means we can keep the job flowing, all the guys can keep working, we can stick on our schedule, and yeah, we're going to have to keep using this generator for the next couple of weeks. Very annoying for our neighbours, which, look, I apologise for, but for us it's more important to keep the job going, keep everybody on schedule, and obviously keep our team working. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at on this property. So boys will smash this framing out over the next week or so. We'll get all our patio and our side extension. They're all hand-pitched rafters on this job. We'll get all them done. And yeah, stay tuned for the next update. And hopefully this bloody rain goes away. Like, seriously, every couple of days it is raining. Luckily, the boys are in underneath the house here. They're working out of the rain. But seriously, I cannot wait for this year to be finished with.